Hey everyone! Welcome to Super Sasha Spice. I'm Super Sasha, and today you and me are gonna cook together. Something very exciting. In the last video, you learned how to make fresh pasta dough, and today you and me are gonna make fresh pasta, fresh fettuccine together with a pasta machine. So let's go for it. Dough is perfect, and now we're going to start rolling it. So today I'm using a traditional pasta machine, but if you want you can use a stand mixer. In this machine my setting is at 0, which is the maximum thickness, and we're going to start with the 0 level and we're going to move upwards. So what we're trying to do here is give our dough a shape, so that it's easier for us to roll the dough when we put it into the machine. And here I have the flour for dusting. I'm also going to put some flour into the roller of the machine. Now I'm going to fold it, and the whole idea is to give the dough a shape. So the first 3 times I just rolled it to give it a shape, because this is also a process of kneading the dough with the machine. And now I'm going to roll it to make it thin and longer. Level 2, and we are going to keep dusting as we proceed further. As I roll the dough, I also keep pulling it slightly with minimal force so that it gets a little elastic. So I'm going to roll it one more time at level 4. I don't want to go to level 5 because the pasta sheet might get just too thin. After rolling it at level 4 twice, I'm going to stop and lightly dust it, trim the sides so that we get a beautiful shape eventually. I'm going to now cut into 3 parts. And this is the perfect sheet to either use for lasagnas, fettuccine, lightly dust with cornstarch. pot we have boiling water, and into this goes oil. it is a good idea to air dry the pasta a little bit before we put it into the boiling water. Finally, the pasta is ready. I cooked it in boiling water only for a minute and now it's perfectly al dente. It's ready to go into any sauce or cook the way you like. Pasta!